Okay, let's talk about the NBA and talk about two of the most disappointing teams so far, the New York Knicks and the Brooklyn Nets. Maraming mga diehard fans to dito sa Pilipinas and they're very heartbroken because not the best start. Tapos sa ilalim pa sila in a division na lahat losing record.
Yeah.
'Di ba? Grabe yung Atlantic Division. Losing record na nga lahat, tas kayong dalawa pa yung nasa ilalim. That hurts.
They're like the glamour teams pa.
Yun na nga, yun na nga.
Two of the top 3 most expensive teams
in
basketball.
Exactly. Okay. So,
hundreds of millions ang payroll.
Alamin natin bakit. Ba't sila nagkakagaron? Okay, Charles, let's start with the Knicks. Ano bang problema nila? I know they have injuries also, but is that a valid reason para ma-explain why they're not doing well?
I think it plays a huge role, especially the loss of Tyson Chandler, who's really been their cog defensively. I mean, I wouldn't blame the coach because people would easily blame Mike Woodson, but he's proven years that he can coach teams in the playoffs. I don't like the way the team is built. I mean, Meta World Peace, I didn't really like him. Bargnani especially. And they're shallow. You got Kenyon Martin. Puro matatanda na rin yung mga big men nila. And they don't really have any solid backup to Tyson Chandler.
And what's Amari doing there?
Diba? And Amari pa, he's playing like 10 minutes on and off. So I just don't like the way their team is built. And I think that's the reason why they're not really working. It's a shame because they have Carmelo Anthony, one of the premier superstars, who cannot defend also. So,
and
can't defend to save his life.
Not really the smartest tool in the... Nakita mo yung kalaban nila Houston? Wala nang 2 minutes, nag-haka Dwight. Dude, come on, di ba? Ang tagal mo na sa NBA, mamimigay ka ng foul away from play, wala nang last 2 minutes. Sayang yung athleticism, kulang eh.
I just don't know what Amari is doing in New York.
Nakakaawa rin si Amari.
I know, but you're paying this guy like millions to just stand there for 10 minutes. Like, utilize him, do something, or I don't know.
Ang pinakamalaking pagkukulang, like binanggit na ni Charles, yung Tyson Chandler, hindi lang yung defense eh. Tingin ko lang si Tyson Chandler yung actual leader ng New York Knicks. Ngayon walang leadership eh. Parang, sige, makikinig sa coach pero on the floor, walang nasusunod sa kanila. Kanya-kanya na sila eh.
That's supposed to be Carmelo Anthony.
Yun yung pagka-franchise player ka. Dapat ikaw yun,
kasi
diba?
Last year, they even had Jason Kidd pa. When he was playing, malaking bagay rin yun, quality.
Ayun, at least yun, nakikinig sila kay Kidd.
Solid sila, buo yung team eh. Ngayon, I don't know, parang walang chemistry.
Ikaw, Junmar, sa pagkakaintindi mo dito sa Knicks, ano bang problema ng team na to? Ano ba? Kulang ba sila? Ano? Dahil lang ba sa injury? Masara bang buwakaw si Carmelo? Anong...
Last na nakita ko yung kalaban ng tambak sila.
Ba't sila natatambakan? May Carmelo Anthony.
Ginawa niya nila Carmelo.
Yun. I think parang sakit nila yan. Lagi silang
one-on-one.
Wala silang sentro baka pwede.
Uy!
Mas kaya pa rin ito kaysa kay Bargnani.
Totoo.
Diba?
Grabe naman yun.
3 words. I got 3 words from grabe naman yun.
Hindi
Progress.
Mas matibay naman ata katawan nito kay Andrea Bargnani. Okay, let's go to the Nets. Ganon din, parang New York. They have injuries. Mabigat din yung problema sa injuries.
Walang kagana-gana si Deron Williams.
Yeah.
Parang inaantay niya na yung mga hinugot nila. Si Pierce, Garnett, and si Terry. Parang, dinala kayo dito kayo maglaro. Parang
feeling mo ganon.
Parang, kailan maintindihan niyang siya yung franchise player? Kinuha lang yung 3 para matulungan siya. Actually, 4, sama mo pa si Krelika and the rest of the guys. Parang tinutulungan ka lang para talunin yung Miami Heat. Pero team mo to, it's gonna be your team for years to come. Ito, tulong lang for now.
Although to his defense, I think he's been hurt. But I guess this just goes to show that you cannot buy wins. You cannot buy chemistry. Again, I mean, I find they're hurt. Brook Lopez has missed a lot of games. Garnett's missed some. Kirilenko, Jason Terry. And the fact that their coaching situation, I mean, Jason Kidd's the coach, pero we see on timeouts and everything, it's the assistants running the show. Parang mahirap rin somewhat that arrangement, I guess. But for me, parang hindi lang sila, they're not playing well together. On the court, they look bad. They're losing to bad teams and it's a big disappointment, especially we're expecting a lot from them kasi they're all veterans na rin eh. We thought that
they're all stars.
We thought they'd be able to gel well together. Garnett, Pierce, with Kirilenko, ganun. But it hasn't been that way.
Baka kasi na-TV yung training camp nila kaya alam na ng kalaban. Ibang training camp nila, di ba?
2 things lang dito sa Nets. Una sa lahat, matanda na silang lahat. Super tanda na nilang lahat. Sorry. Pangalawa, kalimutan ko tuloy ako.
Kasi isipin mo muna, Junmar, tingin mo, agree ka ba yung kunyari ginawa nung Brooklyn Nets? pinagsama-sama lahat ng star. Kahit na hindi mo alam kung magkakasundo ba yan, magkaka-chemistry ba yan. Basta yung owner, o sige, gastos ka, pinagsama ko yung mga star. Pwede ba yung ganun? Tama ba yung ganung style?
Kasi parang ganun yung team nyo ngayon eh.
Uy!
Ayun!
Bakit?
Hindi naman!
Talaga star sila
Hindi,
lahat eh.
hindi!
Ang dami kayang marquee names sa team
Ay, may
nila.
Kramer na, may mga
Di
glue guy na.
nata.
Na-adjust
Ganda
na.
dun, Miyaka.
Ang dami. Aminin mo, madaming mga
Aawatin na
famous.
kita eh. Tinuloy naman ito. Aawatin ko na eh. Kaya ginaganon ko eh. Huwag ganun.
Hindi! Tinatanong ko naman si Junmar, wala naman to connection nun sa kung ano man yung meron nangyayari sa
Brooklyn Nets, bro.
PBA. O, Brooklyn. Tingin mo ba, tama yung ginawa ng Brooklyn na pinagsama-sama yung mga sikat. Tapos, bahala na si Batman kung magkakasundo sila o hindi.
Pag ang team mo kasi puro mga superstar,
Oo.
may chance din na mag-aagawan sila eh. Gusto kong
Yun. O, diba? O, diba?
So wala nang tatanggap ng
Based
role.
on my experience, man.
Ay, di. Wala ko.
Tingnan mo, kayo na yan.
Hindi.
Ako.
Kayo naman eh. Brooklyn Nets ang pinag-uusapan ko ano yung
Alam mo,
isip
feeling ko,
nyo eh.
kailangan nila a coach like Coach Yeng Giao.
Ang Brooklyn.
Oo. Para alam nila kung ano
Kawawa
yung
naman si
posisyon
Jason
nila.
Kidd. Idol ko din si Jason Kidd.
Alam mo, idol ko rin si
Idol ko
Jason
rin dati.
Kidd, but also you need somebody who's gonna, you know,
Pwede, Brooklyn
Put
Nets,
them in
yung Gel.
place.
Maganda yan,
I
no?
want him to succeed though, Jason.
Hoy! Jordan! Pwede. Pwede. Guys! Pasa mo! Pwede. Pwede. Pwede, di ba? Pwede ka.
Pwede.
Hoy, Berat! Ano ang ginagawa mo dyan?
alam mo lang ito sa Sunday,
Ano
pag
mga
nakahama
ganun?
namin
Grabe.
ulit si Coach Yeng.
Ayan ito inayos na namin para sa NBA. Ito alam na namin solusyon. Para ayusin yung Knicks tsaka Nets. Sa Knicks, kailangan palitan ni John Marcy Bargnani.
Oo, tama yan.
Okay na ba yung US visa mo?
Oo naka-travel nga
tama.
sa FIFA eh.
Okay, so US visa okay na.
FIFA
Sa Nets.
tested.
Oh.
So,
FIFA tested.
Nakapunta ka na ba?
Back to New York and Coach Yeng
Yeng
to Brooklyn.
Oh. Nakapunta ka na ba ng New York?
Hindi.
Oh, yun,
Yun, perfect.
Sabihin mo dito sa mga okay kumain dun sa New York.
Tama.
Shake Shack.
At saka yung
Ganyan,
scout
no?
pumunta
Oo.
dito ng FIBA, nakita ka.
Nakita ka, tingin ko. Ano
Wow.
ba, hashtag na to.
Oo.
Junmar, di ba?
June
Kraken.
Martin,
Pwede
New York.
magpanggap ka na hindi ka marunong mag-English para si Yao Ming, tapos sama mo ko. Aking
interpreter.
translator. Interpreter.
Kaya yung
Tama ako,
mula ngayon, yung NYK, hindi na New York Knicks yun.
New York's Kraken.
New York Kraken na yun, ha? New York.
Oo,
Yun, ha?
si pasok na pasok.
Push yan. Ipupush natin yan.
Push
Tama,
yan,
di ba?
push yan.
Push yan. O, tapos yung Brooklyn, sorry na lang kay Jason Kidd.
Maglaro na lang siya
Ano,
ulit.
hindi, maglaro na lang
Pwede,
siya.
pwede.
Oh, tapos si
Coach
Coach Yeng na doon. At least yun, pwede niya mura-murahin yung mga referee doon, hindi siya mateteknikan. Hindi siya maintindihan eh.
Ay, minsan hindi ah. Minsan may universal si Coach
Meron
Yeng.
din.
Kagabi
Ay,
meron
oo,
din.
nakita ko yun.
Kagabi yun.
Okay, so, to the Knicks and Nets fans, what else can we say? Kapit lang. Yeah, early.
Walang bibitaw.
It's
Walang
early,
bibitiw.
it's still early. So,
Or take our advice.
good luck, good luck.